Hello and welcome to Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. I'm David. Just like to walk you around our 1969 Mercedes W108 280S. The condition of the car is quite remarkable. It spent the majority of its life up until 2021 in the dry sunny state of South Africa. So it hasn't suffered the rust and rot that we suffer in this country. There's obviously no salt on the roads over there, so it's been preserved incredibly well. It's just amazingly original. The paintwork, the bodywork, the interior, the underside is quite amazing. It comes from the era when Mercedes were renowned for being the best built car in the world, which I suppose to a certain extent they were. Unlike today's equivalents, no comparison. They really were a very solid car in their day. It's got the typical 1960s evocative styling with the double bar chrome bumpers, the white wall tyres. Just a beautiful machine. The paintwork, the bodywork, the interior is absolutely gorgeous. Got the full red leather interior. I think its correct name is Oxblood, so we call it Oxblood Red. Beautiful, all the original dash, beautiful steering wheel. The attention to detail is fantastic. Look at the way that door shuts. It just oozes quality. Yeah, a fantastic car. We've got some bills, invoices, receipts for work that's been carried out. It's just obviously been treasured and well looked after during its life. It will be on the market at $15,995, which I think is a lot of car for that sort of money in that condition. Full details will be on our website with lots of photographs, which is Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. If you'd like any further details, or if you'd like to arrange to view the car, please call myself David on 01604 842 091 or 07787 573 255. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.